Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the NFL app on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, I've been trying to figure this out just because I've been trying to watch NFL on my Samsung Smart TV. And to pretty much put straightforward, there is no NFL app on your Samsung Smart TV. However, there are some alternative solutions. So if you go to the App Store of your Samsung Smart TV, you could actually go ahead and search for YouTube TV, or you could actually go ahead and search for Fubo. You could also get the ESPN Sports app as well. So wherever you have NFL streaming, whether you bought it through NFL Pass on YouTube TV, or maybe you have the ESPN Pass that allows you to watch NFL, those other alternative apps still exist on your Samsung Smart TV. So in my case in particular, I watch NFL on my YouTube TV just because I'm subscribed to it. So here I have YouTube TV installed, and I also have the Sunday Ticket installed. So that allows me to actually watch NFL on my Samsung Smart TV. So just to kind of help you save you guys some time, I mean, I didn't mean to clickbait with this video, but I did want to give some alternative solutions and allowing you to watch NFL on your Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download NFL on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.